Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You need to start with 2 quick checks. Confirm your iPhone runs iOS 14 or later, and make a current backup to iCloud or your computer. Once done, understand the why. App Library is a built-in system feature and cannot be fully removed like an app. You're proceeding to hide or minimize its impact instead, so make choices knowing the system will keep the App Library active in the background even if you never use it. You'll now minimize exposure. Long press an empty area on your home screen to enter jiggle mode, then tap the little page dots above the dock. Once there, uncheck the pages you don't want visible. This leaves only the pages you need and prevents you from swiping into the app library accidentally. Make sure in Settings Home Screen, you choose to add new apps to the home screen so they don't default into the app library, keeping your workflow focused. Finish by training your habits. Use Spotlight Search, swipe down on home screen to open apps fast so you never need the app library. If suggestions bother you, go to Settings Siri and search and turn off app suggestions. If you still stumble into the app library, remember it's system level. Rely on hidden pages and search instead. Troubleshooting tip: if hidden pages reappear after an update, revisit page settings and re-hide them.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.